How to save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can save your TikTok draft videos to your gallery without necessarily posting them. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's say that you have the TikTok application over here, and then I just want to go ahead and then basically open a certain. So I'm not logged in first of all, so let me just go ahead and log in. So once you are logged into your TikTok account, the issue here is quite simple. Let's say you tap the plus icon from the bottom, and then you have a certain draft photo or video that you might have uploaded. So you can just come to the upload tab, give the access, and then let's say that there is a certain photo or videos, right? So let me also just go ahead and select them here. So once I select a couple of photos or videos, I will just tap the next option that you can find over here. Now, let's say I don't want to post this and that this is basically saved as my draft. So I can tap the save draft option in order to save this as my draft. Next time, I would just want to download that draft video, but I don't want to post it. So in that case, I can just go to upload section, and then I can just tap the draft video section over here. So I can just come to uploads here. Now, what you want to do is instead, without posting it, it's not really possible to download it. But what you can do is instead you can just post that and then make it completely private so that no one else other than you will be able to view that certain draft video. So you can tap the plus icon, just try to resume that certain draft photo or video that you were trying to upload earlier. Tap the next option here. Now this step is very important. Right here you can see everyone can view this post. So instead what you want to change this to is make sure to select this option and set this to only you so that no one else will be able to view this post other than yourself. The other setting you want to turn on is also this option known as save to device. So instead you want to make sure to turn this on, because if you don't turn this on even after you post it, then you will not be able to download this to your gallery. Now after you've done that, tap the post option here, and then after you've posted it, the video will get downloaded to your gallery or on your photos application after it has been successfully saved to your gallery. Now what you can do is come back to TikTok, and then you can just try to delete the post that we just posted. And these were the ways on how you can save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting them. But bottom line is that you want to make it private, post it, and the video will get saved to your gallery. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.